Drinking lemon water on the daily basis will definitely reduce the belly fat fast. Lemon can help us lose weight and are also good for our overall health. They're rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, and their acidity promotes good digestion and protects the liver. Lemon have diuretic properties, which is detoxifying and therefore promotes the burning of fat. In this video you will learn how to lose weight using lemon water. No diet, no exercise. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 glass of warm water. Preparation: extract the juice from a lemon and mix with warm water. Drink on an empty stomach. Do not drink or eat anything for at least 30 minutes after consuming. How to drink this lemon water. Drink this daily. Thank you for watching video. I hope information in this video will be helpful for you. Please share and like my video. Good luck.